In this video, we'll show you how to change Instagram profile picture. We start on our Instagram main homepage, and to change our Instagram profile picture, the first step is to go to the bottom of this homepage. And among all these icons that appear, we have to tap on the profile picture icon. Here, to change our Instagram profile picture, the most common error is to go to the top where our Instagram username is located and click on this plus icon next to our profile image. As you can see, when doing that, our gallery opens with a lot of images, but this is to add a story, not to add our image to our profile picture. So don't do this. Go to the top and click on this cross to close this page. Instead of doing this, what we have to do is to click on this edit profile button that appears on our profile. Now our profile is editable, and to edit our picture, we have to go to the top where it says this text edit picture or avatar, and we click here. Now in this other menu that appears, as you can see, we have different options to upload a new image to our profile picture. We can choose it from library, we can import it from Facebook, or we can take a photo. In my case, I select choose from library.